Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we are going to solve some MCQs. The subject is business research method or research methodology. MCQs part 1 with questions and answer. I Dr. Hundevele welcome you all for part number 1. Here we will try to solve question number 1 to 25. We will start with first question. Dash means again and again. There are four options: re, search, research, researchable. Students can pause the video and they can give the answer, and later on we can check the answers. The correct answer is re means again and again. Moving on to the next question. Dash means to find out something. The options are C, search facts, search, search figures. Correct answer is search. Search means to find out something. Thus, research means re-search. Re means again and again, and search means to find out something. So this is the research. Next question. Research in general refers to search for the dash: data, information, knowledge, and experience. The correct answer is knowledge. So research in general refers to the search for the knowledge. Dash stated that scientific research is the systematic, controlled, and critical investigation of propositions about various phenomena. And these are some authors: Clifford Woody, Fred Kellingler, Arthur Benham, none of the above. So who stated this statement? The correct answer is Fred Kellingler. According to Fred Kellingler, he stated that scientific research is the systematic, control, and critical investigation of proposition about various phenomena. Moving on, research is a systematic and dash into a phenomenon. So options are critical analysis, information, observation, and critical investigation. So the correct answer is research is a systematic and critical investigation into a phenomenon. Next question. A research, whether basic or applied, employs the dash method of investigation. Options are general, scientific, particular, and objective. The correct answer is scientific. A research, whether basic or applied, employs to the scientific method of investigation. Next question. In the research process, management question has the following critical activities in sequence. So in the research process, if you want to frame management question, then what are the sequence of the activities? So options are given. You can pause and you can read the options. The correct answer is the first answer, that is, in the research process, management question has the following critical activities in sequence. First of all, there will be origin of problem statement, then selection, then statement, exploration, and refinement. So this is the correct answer. Moving on, what is a good research? The following are correct statements except one. So the options are purpose clearly defined, research process detailed, research design thoroughly planned, and findings presented ambiguously. So the correct answer is yes. What is a good research? So good research is proposing clearly statements, then research process detailed, then research design thoroughly planned, but findings presented ambiguously is not correct. Next question. Every research proposal, regardless of The length should include two basic sections. Those are, you can pause and you can read. Yes, the correct answer is research questions and research methodology, because for each and every research proposal, regardless of the length, these two sections are basically extremely important. So every research proposal must have research question and research methodology. A research proposal is also known as, the options are work plan, prospectus, outline, and all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, because a research proposal is also known as a work plan, it is a prospectus, and it is outline of the study. Moving on, dash is often defined as the application of scientific methods to business decisions. The options are business research, applied research, research, and experimental research. The correct answer is business research. So business research is often defined as the application of scientific method to business decisions. Next question. The major objective of any scientific research is to dash and dash the research path. So whether to identify or pursue, bring out and outlay, produce and procure, and none of the above. The correct answer is the major objective of any scientific research is to identify and pursue the research path. Moving on, scientific research led the researcher in the line of dash process to arrive at conclusions. The options are experimentation, causal relationship, logical reasoning, and theory planning. The correct answer is logical reasoning. Scientific research leads to the researcher in the line of logical reasoning process to arrive at conclusion. So it is not experimentation, it is not causal relationship, and it is not theory planning. Moving on to the next question. Dash presents a problem discussed related to research efforts and outlines design to collect and analyze the data. So options are whether it is research question, research proposal, research design, and research methodology. So correct answer is research proposal, because research proposal presents a problem, discuss the related research efforts, and outline the design to collect and analyze the data that is included in any research proposal. Next question. An easy reference about the sources of the data through which the result has been compiled is provided by the dash. The options are footnotes, executive summary, introduction, and bibliography. So the correct answer is bibliography. So any references about the sources is listed in bibliography. Moving on to the next question. What should a market researcher do once he or she has defined the problem and a research objective? So what will be the next process? Whether it will be collect the information, or budget for information collection, or developing a research plan, or sample the population. The correct answer is developing the research plan. So once the market researcher defined the problem, the next step will be developing a research plan. Moving on to the next question. Dash interns contribute to theory. So what interns contribute to the theory? Whether it is research, reality, concepts, or problems. The correct answer is research. Thus, research in turn contributes to theory. Moving on to next question. Dash is more properly defined as a set of systematically interrelated concepts, whether it is statement, prediction, theory, or assertion. The correct answer is theory. So theory is more properly defined as a set of systematically interrelated concepts. Theories allows us to understand the dash behind the things what we observe. So whether it is question, logic, answer or subject. You can pause the video and you can give the answer and then you can correct your answers or check your answers. So the correct answer is logic. Theories allows us to understand the logic behind the things, what we observe. Moving on to the next question. When planning your literature review search, you need to have clear defined research objectives and questions, define the parameters of your search, generate keywords and search terms, or all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. So when planning your literature search, you should do all of the things. You should have clearly defined your questions and objectives. You should have defined the parameters for your search, and you should have generated the keywords for the search terms. Next question. The first step in the research process is, the options are development of the research plan, survey of stakeholders to determine if the problem exists, collection of available sources for needed information, and definition of the problem and research objectives. So what is the first step in the research process? The correct answer is definition of the problem and research objective. So problem definition is the first step in the research process. Ethics in research is strongly related to dash, whether it is social norms, values, moral codes of conduct, or all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. So ethics in research is strongly related to social norms, values, as well as moral code of conduct. Moving on to the next question. When plagiarism becomes the tool of research, new knowledge creation gets affected. So whether this statement is true or false, this statement is true. Next question. If the research is done in a dash, it automatically creates a kind of protection for the knowledge. Options are plagiarism, unethical, ethical manner, all of the above. Generally, students are having the tendency to click on all of the above, but not necessarily always it will be a correct answer. So here, the correct answer is ethical manner. So if the research is done in an ethical manner, it automatically creates a kind of protection for that knowledge. Next question. Dash may leads to misinterpretation of research results. So what leads to the misinterpretation of the research results? Whether it is wrong methodology or use of statistical techniques, use of wrong data, or all of the above. So correct answer is all of the above. Because of wrong methodology, improper statistical technique and use of wrong data, it may lead to misinterpretation in the research results. What is next? In my next video, we will understand business research methods, MCQs part number 2, and there we will try to solve question number 26 to question number 50. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning. Keep watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notifications. Best of luck for your examination. These are some references that I have used for creating this video. Thank you.